Is this visible?
Yeah, great.
Right, so this is our Hydra backend system. So this is a digital repository, and what we have built is something called Trifle, which, as you can see, is IIIF loader and editor. And if I play this little bit, we are now going in to see some of our loaded manuscripts and selecting one. And the point of this is that we have embedded Mirador in here and are using it as a way of viewing the system and building your own table of contents. So very excitingly, we will see a bit of work I did yesterday building a table of contents. So we have opened up one of the manuscripts that doesn't currently have a table of contents, and we've added the side panel and a little edit box. And I'm now creating the first section of the table of contents, which then gets edited a couple of times until we can put in a name for it, create the section, and then we go down to the view along the bottom and highlight the thumbnails, drag them in, and they have now been added to that section. We then shrink it down, add the next section, and select some more images. I have at that point gone off to the other screen and copied and pasted the relevant section of the catalog of the index there, and I now go through and select some more, drag them over and drop them, and again, as I drop them, they have appeared in the range. So that carries on until there. And then if we switch over to the viewer, this is now looking live at our website, and what has happened overnight is, having built all of these different ranges, etc., the whole system then writes them overnight to the server, and we can see that there are some ranges, and these ranges we will see here have appeared in our IIIF Trifle system, which takes a while to load up. So I will go back to view here. And finally, if we go to the live Mirador, we've got the table of contents, which honestly wasn't there yesterday, appeared overnight and is now there today, which jumps you around to different bits. And one other little tweak that we have added to Mirador is, if you see up here, if you watch the address bar, it will update and it is recording the canvas as we go along. So that gives you a sort of bookmark that can be used. So if, for example, you have somewhere where you wish to put a link, you can put this link in and it will jump us to what was the right bit. So that is a little demo of what we have been doing.